Hey guys, it is Sunday. What's today's date?
16th.
The 16th. She is running on her own power. We decided to pull her in because we're doing some gas work. I didn't want any gas spillage on the blacktop because you know what happens to that. It eats up the blacktop. So, what are we doing today? We're doing the fuel pump and we're doing the fuel pressure regulator.
Yeah.
So we're going to be adding that today. And then she should be good to go other than bleeding the clutch a little bit more because she still has some air in it. She should be good for mileage, racking the mileage and get her up to snuff before the tune. Did you set up the schedule yet?
Not yet. We want to make sure everything's 100%.
Okay. Yep. So we got Jake stopping by today also. Yeah, so all we need to do is actually do the fuel pump. He picked up an iridium hanger. And what size pump you running?
525 Hellcat.
525 Hellcat. So should be enough to be able to provide the enough fuel that he needs to run this motor. So yeah, just wanted to keep you guys updated, and that's what's going on for Nates STI. Alright, so the STI drew first blood. STI 1, GO 0. So he's putting it back on, or installing it, I should say. Looks pretty sweet. Just had he had to run out and get a new sock for it because the stock sock is too tall for the setup. But anyway, so we just need to kind of route the wiring to power it, and then do the fuel pressure regulator, and she's off and running. We hope. All right, we got everything buttoned up. I'm not gonna cover how we did everything, just because we're just gonna try and cover this build as quickly as we can. It's not a how-to, so we got that.
More like how to not to.
Yeah, exactly. A lot of how not tos. Actually, that would be a good video.
How not
to build a Subaru.
Yeah, we were double judging what we were gonna do. Like,
no, that's the problem. We were second guessing.
Videos, like everyone's saying something different.
Yeah. Anyway, so I'm gonna give it a start and see whether or not we know it primes. So all we got to do now is just give it a start and see how it goes. We'll start it while he's tightening it.
Now?
Yeah, why not?
Not yet.
Not yet.
I gotta strip the wire and tape it. Yeah, but did you see Bader's? He had like 4 different wires for the power
he had 2
wire.
pumps.
But 4? It was he
had 4?
Yeah, you see how messy it was? It was like 4. So I don't know what he was.
Hashtag Vanderbilt. Nate's talking crap wants to race.
Yeah, right.
Something about running a lighter when you're doing fuel.
Boom!
That's just burning it off. No, you can run it.
I ain't gonna put the seat in. I'm just gonna have it cockeyed. Cause this thing needs cleaned up.
Start up and let it for what, a few minutes? You're in gear.
I didn't get the check yet. Good. Actually, that's the thing we didn't check.
What?
Is the fuel level working?
Yeah, you're at
Alright, getting ready to move the cars out, get it back into the same spot that it was before,
Yeah. I got. Yep,
and then
gas
move the
tank.
NSX back in the garage and do the FPR and the E85 car. Another day. Aim me to the corner of that car.
Hold on. Flooded. Push it. Damn it.
Flooded?
Yep.
That's gonna be a hard push.
You just want to leave it right here where it was?
Just give it
Nah.
a couple.
It's
We
gonna
can
keep
put it
dying.
up then.
What? You can push it.
You think?
I think so. Just, I mean, we just need like a couple of feet. Actually, yeah, we need to get you over here to get you off the sidewalk.